Alright, so we're on Lydia and Rory's new trail in the 7 acres. This is at the top. If you're coming up from 15, we're at the top here. This is the first rock pile you go over. Now I'll show you where I'm splitting off, and we're gonna get this looped in. So right here, instead of going here, we're gonna go this way and then hit the rest of it up there. Get my GPS going. Right. There we go. That's what I think is the end of Lydia and Rory's. And here's the opposite way, if that's the way you want to go.